Ready to revolutionize your trading game and make instant money? In the next few minutes, discover an AI strategy that's flipping the trading world upside down, making trading easier than ever before. Stick around and let our trader reveal how you can master the markets effortlessly and profit from day one. Don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity.
Hello everyone, welcome to AlgoXpert. Today I'm going to show you the easiest and best way how to trade. We are only using two confluences. One is the buy and sell signal from the indicator, and the second is break and retest near support and resistance zone. We are here on the 50 minutes time frame on NAS 100. I'm going straight forward to this video and explaining the strategy. If you want to learn more about this indicator and how it works, please go and watch my last YouTube video. It's this video here. I'm going in detail about this indicator and all about the features of it, and we are now getting straight ahead to the strategy. Here, as you can see, we have here left a nice sell signal near a support and resistance zone, and could catch a 9-to-1 risk reward trade, maybe a little bit more if you squeeze this take profit a little bit ahead, but we are not getting greedy, and a nice 9-to-1 risk reward is also amazing. We are waiting then for the next signal. We are getting here a buy signal, and also I want to emphasize that you have here alerts, that you are not have to be on the charts all the day. You're getting then the buy and sell signal alerts directly through your smartphone app, or also through your laptop, that you can do other stuff, and when the buy and sell signal appears, you can come then and start trading. We have here now the buy signal. We are looking here for a nice support and resistance zone, and we are waiting then for the break and retest. We have here then the retest. We enter for the long position. We open and make the stop loss under the support zone, and target then the last highs here above. This would be a nice 1 to 4, or we target here this nice support and resistance zone. I will target this above. This would be a nice 7-to-1 risk reward, and then we are waiting for that the take profit hits or not. Yes, then the take profit hits, and so on and so forth. This strategy is always the same. We are just doing buy and sell signal from the indicator, and then the second confluence, break and retest from support and resistance zone. Nothing else. So we are waiting then for the next confirmation for a short signal. We have now a sell signal. As you can see, we have here a nice support and resistance zone. We draw this, make it a little bit smaller, and wait then for nice rejection. We enter then for the nice short position and target maybe this zone here. So the last entry would be our take profit zone. We put then the stop loss above the support and resistance zone and enter then the trade. And as you can see, take profit hits. Here we have a nice 7-to-1 risk reward. We could put the stop loss a little bit smaller, then we could have a 1 to 13 risk reward, but in the live markets I would suggest to put this stop loss a little bit bigger, because then you don't have to be precise with your support and resistance zone. Here we have a nice buy signal. We have then the support and resistance zone. This was resistance, and then we break through. We had here a nice buy signal. We get support, resistance holds support, and we can enter then for a nice long trade. But for this trade, I would put this last trade to this point, and then we enter then for a nice buy trade. We would enter here down below, and then target maybe this high, then it would be the nice 3-to-1 risk reward, and then we are waiting then for the trade. And as you can see, take profit hits very quickly, and we could also catch many other pips from it. But in the live market, we would hold until here. And then we are waiting then for the next signal, and so on and so far. So this strategy wouldn't be different as the other trade. Everything stays the same. Buy and sell signal for the first confirmation, and break and retest near support and resistance level. Nothing else. And as you can see here also, the most insane thing about this AI indicator, in the live markets, it detects false signals, as you can see here, because many traders would have entered here in the live markets short position because they have seen here, for example, a nice support and resistance zone, and we break through, and we have here some resistance, and they would have entered for this candle, and then they're getting stopped out. But we are always waiting for the confirmation of the sell and buy signal from the AI indicator, because it's doing the work from us. AI will take over the future, and the best thing is to take now the advantage from it and trade with it. Trading was never so easy like this. As you can see here, we have a nice sell signal. We are looking here. Just one moment, I'm deleting this because this was for example purpose of this trade, which we hadn't took because the AI indicator didn't give us any confirmation from the buy or sell signal. We have now here a sell signal, and near the sell signal you are drawing then the support and resistance zone. This would be this zone here, as you can see here. We have now the break, the retest, and the confirmation. This break and retest, because you can, in the live markets, I want to give you another example. In the live markets, you would have seen here a break and many other retests here, and you would have then opened a short positions, but you would have getting stopped out. The most important thing is always the buy and sell signal from the indicator. If the indicator does not give us a buy or a sell signal, we are not entering any trades, because AI is reading the markets for us. We have here a nice sell signal from the indicator. We have here near support and resistance zone, and then we can enter the short position. For this, I would maybe target this down below, or this would be a nice 7-to-1 risk reward, or maybe a little bit further down here below. But we are just waiting firstly for this take profit. We can put also here, for example, just one moment, we can put many different take profits. For example, I'm just doing another color. This would be, for example, our take profit 1, and take profit 2 would be maybe here. This would be then risk management, that you, for example, go and break even when take profit 1 hits, or it contains about your trading strategy. So we enter then the trade for a sell signal, take profit 1 hits. Maybe we could here then go break even and wait then and hold the trade then for more. And as you can see, take profit 2 would have been hit, and we could also catch, I just want to see how many, what the risk reward would have been. The risk reward have been approximately 1 to 13, 1 to 12 risk reward if we have hold the trade until here, and so on and so far. So the strategy is always the same. We could have catch many other preps from it, but in the live markets we are not getting greedy. We are always targeting the last structure point, like here or like here. But in general, you see how the strategy is working. It's really simple as it is, just waiting for buy and sell signal, break and retest near support and resistance level, and so on and so forth. And as you can see here, it's always the same. We have a buy and a sell signal. We are waiting here for a sell signal and targeting then the last structure point, then a buy signal, then a sell signal, then a buy signal, and so on and so forth. Nothing else. And if you want to learn more about this indicator, please go and watch my last YouTube video. Here I'm going in detail about everything and explaining you everything and showing you how this indicator is working. And this is our homepage, and you can see in this homepage all the features about this indicator. And here I'm going to explain you in this also how the alerts is working. This is also how you create alert. You make the alert creation of for example, for NAS 100, you put here the message by AlgoXpert buy signal, and then you create, and you get then directly through your phone the message whether we have now a buy or a sell signal, that you then only trade when the buy signal appears or a sell signal appears. But of course you can get an more advantage from this indicator if you use this indicator, for example, with your own strategy as an extra confluence for your buyers, whether we are looking for a bullish trend or a bearish trend, and you can get also an advantage from it with the multi-time frame table. But in this video, I'm only explaining you the easiest and best way how to trade when you just want to trade simple. Before I end this video, I want to emphasize that you can follow me on Instagram. You can contact me there anytime, and I'll be there to support your trading journey. I'm here to help, so let's connect and make your trading experience better together. Thank you, and bye bye.